This is module 12 of our CapCut video editing series for beginners. In this module, I'll be showing you how to blur faces of videos right in CapCut. Drag your video into your timeline, and then you're going to go to where you have effects, the effects tab right here. Then scroll down to where you have body effects. Now you're going to be presented with a ton of effects, right? So in the search bar, you're just going to type blur and hit enter. Now, of course, there are a ton of blur effects. You can just play around them and see which one works. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use this one called Face Mosaic. So I'm going to click this to add it to my timeline. And then I'm going to extend it to cover the entire span of my timeline of my video. So let's go ahead and preview our video. So as you can see right here, the face of this video has been completely blurred out. Now you can adjust the strength of the blur right here. So you can adjust the size of the blur. And of course, you can adjust the range of the blur. So just go ahead and tweak with these settings. Right, but I think the default setting works pretty well for me. So this is pretty much how you can blur the faces of any video right in CapCut. So if you found this useful, please like this video, and of course subscribe to this channel for more CapCut tips, tricks and tutorials. Now check out other videos in my CapCut video editing series for beginners, right? You're going to gain a ton of value from it. So thanks for watching once again. Subscribe, and of course see you in my next module.